Hello, this is Sarah from InStitches by Sarah. Today I wanted to show you a loop start. So this is a way to start either a stitch or a project. And I actually just learned this, a couple months ago, and I am not going back. So first, what you need to do is you need to take your thread, and I like to start with a fairly long piece of thread. It's kind of hard to see here, but a fairly long piece of thread. You take one strand, just one strand, and you loop it. See here? So you have it like a big U, like a big loop. And up here, you're going to have your two strands. And then down here, you're going to have the loop. You put that on your needle. So you thread your needle, however you thread your needle. Okay, so I've threaded my needle. The two strands are up here, and then the loop is down here. You come up from the bottom. You pull just slightly. You do your stitch. Go to the back. Pull, and right here you're going to have that loop. You put your needle through the loop and you pull up, and it makes the knot right there. And that's how you start a loop start. Then you go back up to the next. There we go. To the next stitch over, the next square over. And there you go. You have it anchored into your project. It keeps it neat. It keeps it smooth. A lot of times if you do knots right here, I found it gets really bumpy. The thread can pull through to the front, but this keeps it nice and neat and fully anchored, just like a knot. And that is a loop start.